This is Ian, founder of In 30 Minutes Guides. Today, how to update text in a PDF if you don't have the original Microsoft Word document using a program called Adobe Acrobat Pro. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. We are using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is different than Adobe Acrobat Reader, the free software that you may already have installed on your computer. Adobe Acrobat Pro, this is a subscription version of the software. It has additional features. You can actually do a free trial. Go to the Adobe website, search for Edit PDF, and you should come upon a screen like this and then start free trial. I think it's like 7 days or 14 days. If you like it, then you can subscribe for a rate that usually ranges between about $10 and $20, depending on if you get access to special promotions and whatnot. So I am in Adobe Acrobat Pro. The first thing I'm going to do actually is I'm going to take this 2019 document. I'll show you what it looks like. I'm opening this up in a different program. This is a Mac preview, but if you were in Windows, it might open up in your web browser. And you can see that in this program, I can select text, but I can't delete it. So I've selected it, but I'm unable to delete that text. I'm unable to change any text. Like I want to get rid of this, the name of this organization. I can't do it. So I need to use Adobe Acrobat Pro. And what I'm going to do first is actually just create a copy of the program, of the file. And what I'm going to do is change the date to 2024. Okay? So I'm going to make some changes to update it for this year. I'm then going to open it up in Adobe Acrobat. I just right-clicked on it and selected Adobe Acrobat app, and here it is. I'm going to zoom in. Lower right-hand corner, you have zoom controls. You may use keyboard shortcuts as well, so I can see everything more easily. So I want to make a couple changes to the text here. I want to change the date here. I want to get rid of the name of this organization, and then I want to change the location down here. I'll show you how to do it. First thing you need to do is select Edit a PDF. Okay, let's start with the date here. I'm going to change that to 2024. So basically, I just clicked on that little text box. The text is editable, and then I deleted 19 and I just typed 2024 over it. You can see there's an issue here. Now it's kind of hanging a little bit to the right. Adobe Acrobat Pro, when you're in edit mode, it lets you move these boxes around. So I'm just going to shift this box over to the right so it looks better. And then I'm going to go into this big text box. You can see it's kind of highlighted with these little dots around the box. I'm going to select Orienteering USA, and then I'm just going to, you can go to Edit and you can cut it, or you can also just press the delete key on your keyboard. So I'm going to delete it. A little bit more text there. I believe Orienteering USA shows up in other places, so I'm going to get rid of that. I'm just basically selecting and deleting the text. One other thing you should note is when you delete text, sometimes it shifts things up or shifts things down. That can cause some issues for the layout, especially if it's a longer PDF with multiple pages. It's not really an issue here because this is just a one-page document. So the other thing here, I can see somebody typed in the name of a location. So let's say I didn't want to use that location anymore. I just wanted to leave it blank. I can just delete the text. So I just highlighted all that text, and then I'm just going to press the delete key on my keyboard, and it's gone. And I think at this point, we're good. This is exactly the way that I want it to be. So just save it. Use the, if you're using Windows, Control-S, Mac, Command-S, or just go to File, and then Save. And it's saved. And then I can distribute it the way I want to, or just start using it, the new version of this particular PDF. If this video helped, please take a moment to like or subscribe. I have links to more resources in the description. And thank you so much for watching.